Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to explain you how to design a beam on SAP 2000 software. And thanks for watching my previous video. Hope you liked that. So please subscribe, like and comment my this video. So in today's video, I am going to just explain a simple beam design analyze in SAP 2000 software. So just we have to open the software. If you don't know how to download a software, I have provided a link in the description how to download for free. So here we are going to design. We have just create a new model. So just select the default unit, that is kilonewton meter Celsius, and define material is India. So India, just select India, is select the beam option. So here the number of span is 1 because we are designing a simple beam. This video is for tutorial, is for beginners, so we can start from beginning, very beginning. So the span length is 8 meters, so we will put 6 meter. Okay, and then press OK. So you can see that here the beam has been drawn in 3D tab and in 2D tab also. So first step is define, then analyze, then design. DAR, D-A-R. This is a shortcut to remember. D for define. So first we will define a material. So we are defining first rebar. So select region is India. Material type is rebar. And this Indian HYSD 415. This is the main bar. We are selecting main bar, that is HYSD 415, and for distribution bar we will select mile 250, this confinement bar. Okay, press OK then. Here already the M30 has been defined, but we will define again to let you explain me how to define. I have just deleted that material, and again I am going to define a new concrete material, that is M30 concrete. So just select the concrete Indian M30. Okay, then press OK. So here material M30 concrete has been defined, so this pressed OK. So now we will go for define a section, that is a concrete section we are going to define because we are designing a concrete beam. So just select the concrete and just select the rectangular beam because our beam is rectangular. So here rename the beam. We are going to design a 300 mm by 300 mm beam. So just name according to you, so you will understand. B 300 into 300 I have written. So depth is 0.3 meter. Here we have to put the values in meter, and the material is M30 concrete, what we have defined. And for longitudinal bars we are using HYSD 415, and for confinement bars we are using mile 250, what we have defined previously. So here the beam, we will select design type beam, and the clear cover is 25 mm as per according to IS code for both, for top and bottom. Then press OK. 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 So select the beam. Now we will assign. We have complete the defining part, so the next part is assign. So we are assigning the beam. First we have selected, then we have selected the frame section, then applying. So now we have to assign a load, that is uniform load. Here we are designing a very simple beam to let understand for beginners. So here we have taken a UDL, that is uniform distributed load, that is 6 kilonewton meter, 6 kilonewton per meter. Then press OK. So here we didn't select the beam, so first we have to select the beam. So first select the beam, then go on assign, select the frame loads and then distributed load, because we are here assigning the distributed load, UDL, uniform distributed load, and we have to load pattern with that coordinate system will be global, load direction will be gravity, and load type is force. And we have to select replace existing load option. Here we have selected 6, so you had applied a 6 kilonewton load. So you can see here the UDL has been drawn on over the beam, that is 6 kilonewton per meters. Then press OK. So now you can see that the UDL has been drawn. So you can see that the UDL has been drawn. This is our UDL on beam, over the beam, that is the magnitude is 6 kilonewton per meter. So just we have to now run analysis. So here the case as to dead load and model load, run now. We are using a latest software, that is SAP 2000 version 22. So first we have to save the file before running the analysis. So I am saving the file. If you don't save the file, the analysis will not run. So we have saved. So the analysis is running. So here you can see that this is the latest version of SAP 2000 software. This is an evolution version which is free to use. So here it's zero error. So we have done analysis. Here the results, analysis result, that is message and alert is showing. This is only showing in latest software. So how to download the evolution latest version software for free, I have given a description on link on description. So here you can see the movement diagram, bending movement diagram. So we will just click on show undeformed shape. So this is a undeformed shape. You can go on display option, you can see the various deformed shape, undeformed shapes, bending movement diagram, shear force diagram, any diagram we have to see. Just we have to use the display option on the software. So I am going to show you the forces and stress diagram, like what I have said earlier. Go on display, show force and flow cables. So here I am going to show you the shear force diagram of this beam. It is shear 2 to apply. So you can see here the shear force diagram with values. It is fill diagram. You have to select the option for diagram. Here are two options, show values and fill diagram. So I have selected now fill diagram. You can see the fill diagram of shear force value. Then press OK, show values. So if you select on show values, the diagram will show simultaneously fit diagram with values also. Then press apply. This is a movement diagram. Then press OK. Just you have to right click on the beam, so you will view a whole result, that is shear force diagram, bending moment diagram, deflected shape, everything you will just get on the screen. So here are the detail. You can identify the reactions on both the ends on beam. Here is 24.75 kilonewton. Shear force also, bending moment, all the things we can see by this. So now I'm going to design a beam. So just go on design and select the concrete beam design. Here I have to select the preference, that is IS code 4596, Indian IS code 456 2000. Start design check. So here software will start design check. So our beam has been designed. So you can see here the color indicators, various color indicators there to analyze whether we have designed correctly or not, whether the structure beam has been failed or passed. So here it's gray, like showing the color of beam is gray. It's mean our design is safe. So we will move further to check the design. So first we will go on concrete design. we have to right click on the beam, so we will get the results of the beam of various load combinations. So here the summary report for the beam design. Whatever we have designed, you can see in this summary report, like all the values and magnitude, like shear force, bending moment, shear, everything, flexural movement, everything you can see here. So this is our tabular data. This is used for all the details you can find here, what we have analyzed and designed. So we will now go on beam design. We will check, verify all. So here all the concrete frame pass the stress and capacity. So finally we have designed the beam. So congratulations, we have finally designed the beam. So thanks for watching this video, and please like, subscribe and comment below, so I can get motivated. I will make more videos on this topic, that is SAFE 2000 software.